record. And everyone. So we just shorted EU, right?
Where's the stop?
15 pips.
All right.
So EU and NAS today. And take profit for EU is going to be 976. There we go. And let's check up on our good friend Naz. Let's mute everyone, be on the safe side. There we go. Okay. So Naz is below here with a close. So I like the idea of our stops going here now, but let's wait a little, see if we can get this. I'm still going to take this half risk if I get it. So it was 11,209, I believe. So let's go half risk and 229. And she's denying me. What's EU doing? Looking good. Naz is denying me the second entry. All good, no big deal. You're in that AU long, the UCAD long. Yeah, I wasn't looking at it, so so now it's all about managing these. I didn't get the NAS entry. I'm putting the NAS stop right at that price, which is 11,230. But wait first, wait. Before we put the stop, we wait a little. Pum, pum, pam. Fumbled. I fumbled it by editing the stop. I was editing the stop for the second position and I fumbled it. No big deal, no big deal. Both these two positions should be enough. Yeah, literally blink and I lost it. Sir Godskid the genius. He just reminded me to sip some hot chocolate. All right, so points of focus are here and that high. I want to move stop with a solid close. I don't want to put my stop inside when this is happening. So now let's go 11,230. 11,230. So we have a reduced risk. We're not at break even. This is just reduced risk. Bam, bam. So you must wait. Okay, Naz, go get him. EU as well, go get him. Stop playing. We have 5 minutes. Well, we have 4 minutes. I want to see in that 4 minutes time, it pushes. And we could do a world of things to manage this now. We could go half off and manage the risk. We could close NAS and take most of the losses back. But I'm just going to chill. The risk is managed. There's nothing to worry about. Stops are going to this high next. I think this makes sense. It looks sus a part of my mind says we could tag this little area again. It could tag that little area. But anyway, let's see what happened with gold. Yeah, that gold short would have been nice as well. Would have been a solid 20. No big deal. SL on EU needs to be adjusted soon, as a matter of fact. It's at 0.9808. So EU stop can go to that high, 0.98025 now. So with no emotions on, even if these trades come back, the losses or the potential losses are still managed. The target is 360 for today. Equity floating at 330. Let's wait for the next 2 minutes. First partials idea could come around 11:50, but relax. Relax. Okay, now my focus goes to this low. In particular, this portion of that low. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, so we need that expansion below here. 10:45 coming up. What's EU doing? What time frame is this? Oh, let's just view EU on an M1. Get some clarity. Okay. Zoom up. There's an M15 candle closing now, and I would not like for that M15 candle to come back and take us out. So we're watching. New M15 candle starts. I want it to start with aggression downwards and no retracement. So let's watch and then determine if we just cut the day with a small loss and then walk away. Bam, bam. The eyes. Just doing exactly what we talk about. And sipping tea. Come, let's go. Let's go, let's go, EU, let's go. Nas, wait, I think if I can do this and have them both up at the same time. There we go. EU and Nas for the culture, guys. Might as well sip my tea and sit back. Yeah, I'm thinking today might be just cut it at break even. I don't like how it's hesitating this much. Really scores oneself, patience, psychology. Definitely glad to help. Glad to help. Glad to help. Okay, so let's talk about risk management now. EU entry was at 982. basically here was my EU entry. 982. So this is literally 1 pip off my entry. I'm thinking now that we've moved, how much is this? Well, it's back at entry either way. So yeah. And NAS is also retracing. No emotions, no emotions, no emotions. Just relax. Stop worrying about a stop loss. Big wins, small losses, break even. That's it. We are at 1048. I don't like the idea of this guy coming back, NAS. But I'm not worried about the stop. No, somebody else is. Somebody, oh my God. Indeed, indeed, indeed. I'm not worried at all. It's a logical retracement after taking here. I just didn't think it'd come all the way back to that high. All the way back to that high. Adds up. No. I can't sing at all. Just funny. Okay, so let's analyze the price action now. We've had displacements and rebalances across both of these pairs. Internal displacement, very logical here. Retracement, logical. Didn't expect it so deep, but again, logical, right? Watching this is now, it's a 1 minute chart. So this expansion is fine. Let's see if we can close below that fair value gap. And we want to see this expand below the low. So worst case scenario is we end the day closing these early and just taking a small loss, right? Or nothing, the small loss. NAS is floating $43 and we're down $44, depending on where you're using. Okay, let's make it rigid. NAS is deep in profits and we have a small risk on. Let's remove the risk from NAS and we only have the EU trade with open risk. So 218.5. I'm gonna go break even on NAS. Manage the risk and leave EU as is. Leave EU as is. NAS, I don't want to see NAS coming back inside this candle. So this, I don't want to see NAS coming back here. So once we expand below the low, my next move is to bring my NAS stop all the way down here and be willing to take a small loss and walk away than allow your emotions to get the better of you. These are the realistic parts about trading. You're buying EU, that's interesting. TP for NAS is the same at 11095. 11095. I don't like the way this is sitting here. There's no volume going below it. And then EU is basically doing the same. So my mind, my gut, my emotions are saying EU is likely to stop us out, but then we'll recover from NAS and we'll be fine. That's worst case scenario. And that's okay with me. I can accept that. I can accept that. Once NAS goes below here, we're above water and probably close to the target for the day. My bad, I didn't even look at AU. Yeah, AU cells look nice. Gold cells should also look nice. But we fumbled that gold and took EU instead. All right, EU just stop us out. Cool. So I am, let's manage risk, right? Let's manage risk. I'm gonna take 80% off NAS. So 0. Do I need to? Wait, do I need to? No, we don't need to. That's emotions. That's emotions. We don't need to. We just need to manage the risk. So we're down. Exactly what we're down is what we're floating now. So we should take. Let's take 80% off NAS. Safety first. So 80% off NAS. Send you that screenshot. 80% off NAS there. We're down $7. If EU retraces, we'll take another shot and then that closes the day. But this is already at break even. So the $7 that we're down should be about what we're floating. Let's put the stop right here on NAS. Right where we said we put it, right there at 11,180. Let's put it at 11,180. 11,180. I know we don't care what happens. Stop loss or take profit, it's fine. If your open profit runs to, no, leave it. Let's trade. We're not here to be afraid. We're here to trade.
No, flip it.
No. Did you sell AU chat? It's a nice sell around that big figure level.
Yes, sir, I did.
Nice. Too far gone to look at for you, CAD. I like this delivery on gold. There's no imbalances here. No imbalances here in a move low is always good, because that means if I was bullish and I saw this, when they're running higher, the fact that there's no imbalances here, they'd be gunning for the highs, which also means that selling into retracements here should be perfectly fine. But we're fine. We're fine. Look at this guy. Get a load of this guy. Get a load of this guy. No worries, all good. Where's Ed? Ed is awfully quiet.
You talk for the boss? You talk for the boss?
Just checking if you're okay. Just checking if you're okay.
You be dealing with me workers, man. For bomb up,
Okay, party. Okay, party.
Oh, mate, what's happening?
EU stopped us out. We took partials on NAS. Should be
Deep in profits on AU. Deep.
nice. I didn't take AU.
UCAD's starting to get strong here.
Yeah, UCAD should push, and I want to see this guy push as well.
Yeah.
EU.
Kish, what we doing, man? What we doing, Kish? What we doing?
We're not chasing anything, that's for sure. That's for sure.
No. We ain't doing that.
Let's check. Someone says they're EU.
1, 2, 3. I'm back in the office now. What's going on?
Our EU is cold, like literally.
Wait.
I got stopped out EU. Somebody said they didn't. EU owes me big time, guys.
That shitty pair. I don't know why we jumped in there. Anyway.
All
I need
good,
to
all
slap
good.
£4 anyway.
All good.
Push, let's push! Sorry about that.
What's happening here?
What's the daily target? 360?
360.
Okay.
My balance is at 322. I have $16 floating. So I'm pretty much still at day 7's balance. Well, above day 7's balance.
Not good enough.
Not good enough.
We either die or we survive.
Yeah. 10 pips. We could get another EU short inside here,
Oh, fuck that.
but it has to be above this blue line. Stops on this are going to be relatively small. No need to size down again because we've already recovered the losses. So a 10 pip stop on EU is fine. Or stop
Right now?
actually. No. I want to
Oh,
inside here.
let me
Inside there.
Okay.
Inside there.
Come on, Naz. Just go down, Naz, man. Don't be bad.
If we had that second NAS position here, we would have been close to the target, but it was too fast. It was too fast for me. Like I saw it, and then before I could finish typing the stop loss, moved. I'm like, fine. It's either my entry or nothing, so don't chase it. Rule 4 on EU. Possibly, yeah. Above this candle high inside FEG.
Why is Ash at me? See what I'm saying about this gay guy?
Ash is long gold, remember?
Ash is trying to kill me. He thinks that I haven't even lost today. Believe it or not.
You took partials on the NAS?
Of course I did, man.
Nice. I under leveraged the first position, so
I'm just following the rules, you know what I mean?
Yeah, all good. I think Ash went long somewhere inside here.
Yeah, let him die. Hate for hate.
Okay, so we're stocking one more setup to push to the day 8 target, right? And I think it's going to be EU. I'm not entering NAS here again. Definitely not touching GU. I wanted that gold short, but fumble it because I want to.
AU, it's clean. Go check AU. I don't know. The retracement not looking so nice.
AU is nice. Once AU takes this, it becomes BPR territory.
True, that is it.
Yeah, once it takes a low.
That's what Charlie wanted to hear. Confirmation.
This 10 pip stop would be okay for EU, but my gut says either here or nothing. And I trust my gut. EU. Someone says they got both edges. Yeah. That's good. So everybody's fine. What time is it? 11. So cycle ends. Cycle ends now. So retracement probable. There we have it. Yeah, normal stuff. So my gut says close NAS.
Yeah.
And yeah, let's close NAS, stay neutral, and then see what the retracement does. Cool?
Cool.
All right, so closing NAS now. There we go. If it drops without us, that's fine. No big deal. So that's the day, and this is the balance. And we're waiting for that last trade of the day to get us to where we need to be.
Is that EU?
Likely to be EU. If NAS trades higher, above 1119, then I'll consider taking NAS again.
I got $10 for EU. Only 10.
Free lunch and cash today. Yeah, I've got about $10. No, not Ash. Not Ash. Someone else. So we're actually about $25 away from the target. So with normal risk, what's this? Sorry. someone was asking about the gray box on us. I think it's on M5. This imbalance right here. That's what it is. Roughly about 20 points on NAS with a 1 lot gets us the target. So we can go half, or I mean, we could just take the 1 lot and then take it there.
Oh.
No.
I'm joking, man. I'm joking. Why you lot panicking?
No. EU refuses to give us the entry, and I refuse to chase it. Full stop. Goal is gone. We'll see how we fumble that one. My tea is probably getting cold. Give me a moment while I enjoy what's left of it. That's good.
What a day. Roller coaster.
US 30. Somebody says US 30 is a beauty.
No different size, no chance.
Pretty much the same on here. Bam. This would be on my mind. M5. Yeah, this already did it. So order block. You see how this is? Look at this on NAS on US 30. No imbalances inside here. This is suggesting this is going to push. What does it look like on NAS? Imbalances. EU playing around. No big deal. No big deal. not looking at. I'm actually just looking for EU to give us that last push. DXY still hasn't gotten there, so we could still get some decent 20-30 moves from everybody. I didn't pay enough attention to this guy, or I probably would have seen something. But hey, no big deal. No big deal. Yeah, I looked at US 30 and S&P maybe yesterday, and they both seemed, you know, this looks sus. Why is S&P not taking this high like everybody else?
Uh-oh.
But isn't, for the SMT guys, wouldn't that mean strength? Cracking correlation, this is the heavier one, this is the one to sell. If I got that wrong, correct me. Yeah, I think it's something like along those lines, but I'm not entirely sure. Let's tag that. And then R3. Beautiful. Can't trade all of them, guys. Can't trade all of them. Can't. Okay, Naz, do the thing, do the retracement. No. You can't tell me that. You're probably one of the smartest money I know. You're probably one of the smartest money I know. But I want this Naz long. This Naz long is going to be spectacular. Hopefully they whipsaw it. But then again, we might not be on the call when that happens, which means I'll likely leave it alone, or I'm gonna run away from the pack. So 10 minutes. In the next 10 minutes, let's see if we can get that EU trade to behave. And that concludes our day.
Not good?
Now I'm saying if we get that EU trade, it's going to be the last one, and that concludes the day. A couple things about this trade though. We have 8 to 11. So this is where you watch closely or you miss it. 8 to to 11 here. See where the low is formed. See where the high is formed. Time on this high is 17:30. So 6 minutes after 10:24. That high is here, looks relatively equal, but the fact that we have the high being created here, and then this happening here, it suggests that retracement and dealing range low. That's what it suggests.
That would be nice.
It would really be nice. What about 20 pips? And then because all of these are here, it opens the door for, wow. look at this. Too much precision. That's why I didn't want to go on M1. M1 forces me to look for precision. M5, I'll just stick to the narrative. But anyway, what's Nas retracement looking like? Let's take a look. So we're doing a whole lot of marking on our M1 for Nas. But before we go M1, narrative first. That blue line on EU entry. FEG right here.
Oh.
Okay, EU, I see you. I see you.
Jeez.
When we're looking at NAS before, I think this was the ID low that we wanted. Time frames M1. This was that low that we wanted to see get taken out. Now it's taken. Here's the impulse from here to here. Scalping fever, I'd sell this because inside here we have a whole lot of overlapping wicks and no imbalance. My daughter is up and she's choking me to death. Whew. She's pulled up, jump in my lap, and now she's choking me to death. My guys, pray for me. Yeah, prices trolling today, especially EU. EU stopped us out exactly where the stop was. I mean, spreads took us out, being realistic, because the stop was here. Spreads took us out, then tanked. We want second entries, and it's not giving it up. That's fine. That's fine. Remind me not to go on M1 anymore. Stay away. All right, so gold, same process, whereas 8 AM. 8 AM is 1500 on this broker. And then 11 AM is 1800. There. Is gold going to do that? And then tank? This would be very interesting. But let's check on the good guys. Take this fib off. Before my daughter started killing me, I was looking at this. So earlier I mentioned that I don't see any imbalances inside here, but then I saw this. Confluence, this is trading lower into a down candle. Down candle's low is intact. Down candle's high has been taken. I like that. AU retracing. NAS retracing. UCAD retracing. Gold doing its thing. Okay, EU. Okay, EU. Okay, EU. So we have 4 minutes. If in 4 minutes I don't see it, then that's just it. And if you don't get a text message from him, my daughter killed me. Hi. Not looking at that, so no need to overanalyze it. I wanted the entry above 11,190. So as cute as this looks, not interested. This does look nice. It does look nice, but the structure opens the door for too many things that I don't like. Firstly, rejection block. No up candle bodies after the rejection block was created. So it's potentially pulling for that. But if you're risk-free, then nothing to worry about. Kind of like gold. Remember when we're looking at gold and we're saying, I think it was the M15 time frame. We were saying that the rejection block is here. All of these wicks, I think it requires a body inside here before it moves. That's what I think. And that's the idea I was planning to trade short gold to target that level. But we missed. It's trying to tell me to stay away from EU. Possibly. So allow Nas to do what it wants to do. And I hate this pair. Officially hate this pair. That's my 10 pips. 0.25, $25. Exactly what we needed. Yeah. Who got EU? Somebody got EU? All right, for the culture, somebody got it. I'm fine. Nice. So we're good. Still want to see it run here, but I don't know why it's lagging so much, likely because of time. And it's time stuff that I haven't put on YouTube. So I'm not going to do that here. No. I wasn't considering along at 50%. I was looking at 50% of this range and the likelihood that they would want to trade here. So now that we've seen this, if you've seen my phone, usually 50% of my fib says run stops. So when they do this, inside this narrative, they create a high, you expect them to run the stops. The stops would be this short-term high that they created. So basically a premium high in a bearish market. Market trades, takes that, order block candidate. So retracement inside here is nice for a short, but I don't want to sell NAS below 11,190, so I'm leaving it alone. I can make a sell model to take these lows or to take this high. It's possible they're saving liquidity for, but this is a lower time frame. Why? I don't think they need to save lower time frame liquidity for news. It would be more probable to hold in a higher time frame range and then run that liquidity. That's what I think. That would be more likely. And if this NAS drops from here, I'll just journal it when I'm reviewing this video and look at the fact that I wanted this offered, studied the price action here. Hey, what's up? Studied the price action here and then see if there's anything inside this fractal I could learn from as to why it didn't want to go here, but sell off from here. But that's for hindsight. I'm not studying that live. I know what I want to see live.